taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me.
So hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Where I live is bushy, okay? I mean the site is very bushy, so I'm coming to clear this thing this morning, okay? Yeah, so that is what I'm going to do and I'm about doing. So see you.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your.
This is very difficult, guys. I think this is my first time doing this and you know I'm finding it difficult to read, but let's see how it ends up.
Lightning, got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it, it's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
Guys, I won't lie to you. I've never done this type of job before, like reading before. Today is my first time of doing it, and guys, I salute all the farmers. Farmers are doing a great job because, hey, can you see the way I'm breathing? I can't even breathe well. And one thing too is that the ground or whatever is very hard. Okay, it's very hard. It's not that soft, so that is why I'm also feeling it difficult. Yeah, I'm finding it difficult to remove this kind of bush around. So yeah, that's all. And I'm going to do this. I will try and do it. Okay, wish me good luck. So yeah, let me go and continue.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
So guys, I just finished doing my house chores and yeah, I just finished showering. And guys, I'm still in the pain of doing that kind of weaving. Hey. So yeah, I'm just sitting down. I don't know whether I'm going to cook or not. I'm just sitting down here relaxing myself. I want to take some kind of rest tomorrow. Then we'll wake up, whatever that will be, I'll let you know. This one's in this vlog here. So see you in the next vlog.
I don't wanna say anything, 'cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? Running high, running high. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run?
Hey, in fact, maybe I do. You don't want to show. Into what did you know? Don't you know that is there?
I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So give my mouth shut.
Cool water.
Oh, yeah.
Let's let it come back from school. You have a popcorn over there. Mm. So hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. This is the next day. I just want to quickly chip in this. Okay, you know, yesterday the weeding I did, I think weeding is not my thing. Okay, because I feel pain around my arm, my joints, everything. So I think that is not my thing, because yesterday you can see that I just quickly packed the things and send them to the storeroom. That is it. Because no, I can't kill myself. I just have to look for someone and pay him to do that thing for me. Okay, so yeah, that is it about the updates. Okay, about the yesterday, I just pack my things and go. I can kill myself. And today, I don't know the plans for today. So yeah, I'm going to clean my kitchen and I'm taking you guys along with me. Okay, so yes, come along.
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do, I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide? I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do, I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye?
my house chores and I'm hungry. I haven't taken my breakfast yet. Getting to 10 or 10 a.m. whatever. Getting to 10 a.m. I haven't taken my breakfast yet. So I'm going to take my tea. Yeah, I'm going to take my tea. So me not taking sugar. I just mix this two. Just mix this way and this way. Then I'm cool to go. Okay. I'm cool to go with it because I don't like sugar. And if you come to my house, you will never see sugar. No. Unless maybe I'm baking. That is when you will see sugar in my house, okay? So yeah. So let's do this tea, okay?
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Till we find what we're missing and compromise. So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can't we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I